Bird flu alert. Dr. Diana Bell warns of a looming pandemic as bird flu, or H5N1, spreads alarmingly since 2020. From domestic geese in China 97 to now affecting mammals worldwide, including polar bears and dolphins, the virus's reach is expanding. With 882 human infections across 23 countries last year and a 52% fatality rate, the threat is real. The virus, mainly spreading from poultry to humans, mirrors COVID-19's zoonotic origins. Yet, human-to-human transmission remains rare. The WHO sees bird flu as a significant pandemic threat, stressing the need for vigilant research and surveillance. Dr. Bell calls for an overhaul of poultry farming to curb this danger and protect our feathered friends and us. Is another pandemic brewing? How can we prepare? Share your thoughts below and subscribe to our channel to stay informed.